Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel. We will be putting one or two updates for you guys there. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So follow our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we should be expecting next and any other thing. Now let's take a look at what we will be expecting on GBP USD. So if you have to zoom it out, you can see at first GBP USD trend was on an uptrend move. You clearly can see that on this uptrend move, we were clearly having an higher highs and an higher lows, higher highs and an higher lows till it got to this peak. And now market is currently giving us what, a lower lows and a lower high. So personally, I am expecting this GBP USD to drop to a level of 1.28. So basically, we still have, if I'm not wrong, so we still have close more than 1,000 pips to go on GBP USD. That is what I am seeing. So we still have a long way to go on GBP USD. So GBP USD is likely to give us a huge drop. Once it gets to a level of 1.28, then I'll expect a major pullback, then another drop. So long term, we are expecting GBP USD to come to tap this level. That is for swing traders. For now, market will be dropping. But right now, if you take a look at what market is doing, you will see this to be the lower lows. Here is our lower highs. If you take a look at this, we add a new lower lows. You can see it took out this previous lows, and a little lower highs played out here before eventually markets give us a new lower lows. And market since then has been ranging within this level, right? So market since then has been ranging within this level. So we will be expecting another new lower lows to the downside. That is why I said it will be dropping to a level of 1.28. That is our long-term aspect. Now, can this GBP USD come to tap this resistance level? It absolutely can, because if you take a look at it, market is still ranging. You can see it, so it is still ranging. So just in case it comes up to tap this resistance level, expect it to drop to this our support level. And if it comes back to tap this resistance level, still expect it to drop to this our support level until it breaks this support level and start going down. Then we would now counter this as a new lower lows. Then maybe the lower highs can play out, then a new lower lows. So our bias on GBP USD is still to the downside, it's still a sell. So for long-term traders, swing traders, position traders, if you are going to be holding it for a long time, you should be shorting GBP USD. So stay updated by following our Telegram channel. You will find the link in the comment section.